Alright, what's up guys? The gasket came in today. This is for the pit bike. This is the last piece that I needed to get it running. I do still need the back wheel, which is coming tomorrow. But I need that to get it running. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on the bike right now and see if it'll start up, because I just cleaned the carburetor. Probably take all this stuff off now. Carb's all clean, so it should be ready to fire up. We're gonna start by just putting the carb on the bike itself with the new gasket. I'm gonna throw that on there, see if it'll, hopefully everything fits. Alright, so now that the carburetor's back on, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting on all the throttle stuff and getting that all linked up. Then I'm gonna put the fuel line back on. Hopefully I have gas in there, which I should. And then I'm gonna see if it fires up. Trying to get the throttle back together, get everything looking good. Gonna start putting the throttle stuff in the carb. Hopefully after that it'll be good. Alright, throttle's together. About to go back inside the carb. And after that it should be ready to start. Alright, throttle feels a bit weird, but I'm just gonna see how it runs anyways, because why not? There ain't any throttle cable I'm gonna get it in. I'm gonna go change my shoes. Alright, I got some better shoes so I can kick it a little better. So I don't know if you guys can see in there, but there's no gas, barely anything. So I'm gonna try to siphon some out of the YZ into a gas can to put in here real quick. So get back to you guys when I'm done with that. So I'm just letting all the gas siphon out into this, and after that fills up a little bit, put it in the pit bike and see if she'll fire up. Alright, it should start up now. Huh? So it seems that the throttle cable is all bunched up inside here, so I'll let it go back down, and the slide is stuck open. I'm gonna take this apart and try to fix that by just cutting the loose wires. Got it running. At the moment, I just have to pull the throttle cable to make it rev up, but my throttle cable comes tomorrow, so. Sounds like it's running good. Can't wait to get this thing running. All my parts will be in tomorrow, so be sure to check for that. And yeah, this may be the end of this one.